really scared that you won't be okay. But can you say back if you're not okay or if you're okay?
And why are you nervous? What did you see on TV?
I saw a bunch of snow and I'm very scared about it.
What was happening in the snow? Don't you see like floating cars or something?
There's floating cars and I'm really scared right now. Please tell back if you're okay. I liked the video that you sent to us and it's a very cute. Love, Avery.